Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see how we can use the convert formula to convert from one unit to another unit. In this case, I have a sample data for fruits and its corresponding weight for each of the fruits. The unit is in kilogram. I wanted to convert this data, which is there in kilogram, to grams. For that, I have to use the formula convert, then open the bracket. I have to select the cell on which I have to use the convert function, which is B2, comma. After selecting B2, which is the cell reference, comma, then there will be a dialog box which will open. It is asking from which unit to which unit you wanted to convert. You wanted to convert from kilograms to grams, so I will specify in double quotes kilograms, close the double quote, comma, open double quotes again and enter G. Close the quotes again and close the bracket. Now you have the apples converted from kilograms to grams. The value of 1500 has been converted to grams now. Now apply the formula across all the fruits. Now we have got the conversion for the entire fruits from kilogram to grams. If I wanted to convert from kilograms to pound, let me add one more header in pound. And use the formula convert again equals convert, open the bracket, select the cell reference, which is B2, which I wanted to convert. After that, in double quotes, mention LBM for pound. Sorry, I need to mention kg. Close the double quotes, comma. In double quote, you need to mention LBM and close the double quote and close the bracket. So you are converting from kilogram to pound. LBM is the key which is used for pound. Since you are converting from kilogram to pound, you need to mention kilogram first and then you need to mention LBM. Enter. So you have the data. Once you have the result, you can copy the formula for other fruits as well. Now you have converted from kilograms to pounds.